Welcome students. So let's begin with chapter number 13, that is production. In this chapter we will study the meaning and the function of production, and I will just move a little bit with this, that is the factors of production also, because it is one of the very important part. So let's begin. What is production? The basic concept. Production is defined as the process of converting the input into output. It may be an activity that generates income. In other words, production is an outcome of an economic activity. Production is further defined as any activity directed towards the satisfaction of other people's want through the exchange. Or production means a process by which resources are transformed into a more useful commodity or services. In general, production means transforming input into an useful and desired output. For example, steel from iron ore. So I have given you three easy definitions and the meaning and the concept. Just go through it, and whichever you feel easy, you use it in your answer. This slide is about the factors of production. Now, what is factors of production? The resources which are required to initiate the production process is known as factors of production. Factors of production are the resources used to produce goods and services. These are also known as inputs. So, how many factors of production are there? There are 4 factors of production, namely land, labor, capital, and entrepreneurship. First is land. What is land? All the naturally occurring resources or the gift of nature. It is also called a natural resource. Move on to the various characteristics of land. Land is fixed in supply, it has no cost of production, and it is geographically immobile. It is also a passive factor of production, which means that without human labor, land cannot be put to any use. It also includes the resources found in the air in the form of oxygen, in the land gold, on the land forest, in the water pearls from clams. The payment for land is rent. Now, what is labor? All human effort, whether mental or physical, that contributes to production. Labor is also human resource. Example, nurses, soldiers, teachers, and the payment for labor is called wages. What are the types of labor? Labors are categorized into 4: unskilled, semi-skilled, and skilled, and the last is professional labors. Now, what are unskilled labors? They are little or no formal training is required. Example, street cleaners. Semi-skilled laborers requires some formal training, that is assembly line worker. Skilled laborers require high level of training, such as engineers and masons. And last is professional labor, requires high level of education and professional qualifications, such as doctors and teachers. Next, what is capital? Capital refers to all man-made resources used in the production process. For example, machinery and equipment. Next is types of capital. Capitals are categorized into 3, that is fixed, working, and venture. Fixed capital, capital that does not change shape during production. Example, tractors and machinery. Capital that is used up during production is termed as working capital, for example, cash and material. And the third is venture capital invested at the startup of the business. Example, the cash which is required. Payment for the use of capital is called interest. Factor of production is enterprise. What is enterprise? This is the ability to combine or organize the other factors of production and to take risk. It is also called entrepreneurship. The payment for enterprise is termed as profit. So today we have dealt with what is the production, the concept, meaning, and the various factors involved in the process of production. Next class I'll be continuing this chapter with the function of production. So thank you and have a nice day ahead.